Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video I will compare the Amazfit T Rex 3 and the Amazfit T Rex Ultra. The Amazfit T Rex 3 is rugged smartwatch design of outdoor enthusiasts. It has a durable build with military-grade protection, MIL STD 810G, make it resistant to tough conditions like extreme temperatures and shock. It also water resistance up to 100 meters, so it's perfect for activity like swimming or hiking in wet environments. The watch offers excellent fitness tracking features, including heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and multiple sport modes. Its battery life is impressive, lasting up to 24 days with regular use, making it reliable for long trip or outdoor adventures. The Amazfit T Rex Ultra takes durability and performance even further. Like the T Rex 3, it's built to handle harsh environments with military-grade protection, but it's designed for even more extreme adventures. It also advanced feature tracking features such as VO2 max and training evac measurements, which are useful for athletes who need more detailed information data, while its battery lasts up to 20 days. Slightly less than T Rex 3, it makes up for it with more powerful features and tracking option. If you need a tough smartwatch for everyday outdoors activities, the Amazfit T Rex 3 is a sole choice. However, if you're looking for advantage feature and extra durability for extreme adventures, is the better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.